That we've seen so far this morning, Mark. We're here on the northern end of Palm Beach Island. Take a look at the surf behind me. That just shows you the amount of power that Irma is packing as it momentarily, like you said, makes landfall on the lower keys. Here on the island of Palm Beach, it's been evacuated for quite some time now. In the middle of the week, that's when that mandatory evacuation went out. There are police at every bridge on the island preventing anyone from getting on. But as this island's deserted, the wind, the rain, this island, the buildings, the trees are being pounded and ripped apart by these winds that I feel, I don't have the wind meter here, but I would guess it's, more tropical like forced winds here. Probably the maximum we've seen so far in Palm Beach County. Like I said, it takes some effort, I can tell you, to stand up. My photographer Mike's been fighting the wind to keep the camera upright. Definitely the maximum, a taste of what's to be seen here, especially, our thoughts go out to those who have property and who have their homes in the Keys as well as the southwest Florida coast, because Irma is certainly packing a punch as it approaches our coastline.
Florida boy, you know the coastline well. How does it look right now behind you? Does the debris look any more than usual? Paint that picture.
Yeah, I mean, to look behind you, you can see those white caps, those swales coming off. I mean, this is, obviously it's not recommended. This is what surfers who actually live in Florida, not in California, dream of. This kind of surf, these swells. Definitely, I could imagine erosion here. I know where I'm from, Fort Lauderdale Beach, it's a very big concern in our historic part of Fort Lauderdale is the type of erosion you see with these kind of waves, this kind of surf. Definitely concerning here. We're at more of the narrower part of Palm Beach here. You can see the seaweed shows you kind of where high tide was, about 3/4 of the way up from the beach. Not as close to the seawall as we've seen further up north. Mark, we're familiar with the Lake Park, North Palm Beach area. Obviously the surf there approaching closer, but definitely a concern. And to see this type of power here, and we're not even close to the most extreme parts of this hurricane.